Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Focus rear lights. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. You will begin by locating the small access panel, typically found inside the trunk, directly behind the rear light assembly you wish to remove. With your trunk open, look for the small, often carpeted access panel situated on the interior trim, directly behind the rear light. Using your trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver wrapped in tape to prevent scratches, carefully pry open this panel. Once open, you will clearly see the 2 or 3 retaining nuts or screws that firmly hold the entire light assembly in its position. Now, carefully unscrew the 2 or 3 retaining nuts or screws you just exposed. You can often do this by hand, or use a small wrench if they are tight. Once these fasteners are loose, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back from the vehicle's body. Finally, locate the electrical connector and press its small release tab to disconnect the wiring harness completely. Before installing the new or reinstalled light, take a moment to inspect the old gasket. Replace it if you notice any wear or damage to ensure a watertight seal. Align the new taillight assembly carefully with its mounting points and push it firmly into place. Reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks, then hand tighten the 2 or 3 retaining nuts or screws securely, but do not over-tighten them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.